How to play games on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. From various options on the navigation bar, search for gaming. If not available on the default list, tap See More. Scroll down to the bottom. Finally, I found gaming. Tap on it. You will be directed to the Facebook gaming section. There are a variety of games available to play on Facebook. You can either search for a desired game or simply find a game that you want to play among various categories. For example, under the board category, let's play Ludo Club. Single tap on it, then tap Play on Facebook. The Ludo game will start loading and you are now all set to play and enjoy this game on Facebook. And boom! You have successfully learned how to play games on Facebook. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.